to my YouTube channel. As usual, it's awesome to see my brilliance babes. This video today is all about the air fryer. You guys are probably familiar with it. Most of you guys have probably tried air fried foods. You may even have an air fryer of your own, or you possibly are thinking about getting one. So I wanted to give you some insight on air fryers, the benefits to them, what they are, why I love them, and hopefully this can help you out if you're thinking about purchasing one. Stay tuned if you want to learn more. Okie dokie, y'all. So yes, I'm here today talking about air fryers. This is the specific air fryer I use. This is GoWise USA. I got this from Amazon. I think this one was about 70 or 80 bucks, around that ballpark. And that's a pretty general price for most going air fryers. Obviously, you have better quality ones. You got some that are more affordable. The first one I purchased was from Walmart. That one was about $90 after taxes. But this one, like I said, this has been my latest one. This is awesome. I love it. I love air fryers in general, and let me tell you why. So an air fryer is an alternative to the conventional oil frying, deep frying cooking tactics, essentially. So it's an all-around healthier alternative to fried foods, right? So let me tell you, the moment me and my ex-boyfriend who I was living with at the time, the moment I purchased the air fryer, we used it maybe the second day, and we didn't touch an oven for months afterwards because we cooked everything via air fryer. And we are relatively healthy individuals. We don't like a lot of fried and greasy foods because it has a high fat content with all of that grease and oil that tends to sit on your stomach, causes you to bloat, it causes high cholesterol issues. So it's a lot of benefit to using an air fryer, and the food tastes awesome. Now that's the biggest misconception, is that if you make air fried foods, it's not going to taste like fried foods. Honey, it's a way to get your food very crispy, very tender, very nice, and cooked through, tasting awesome with air fryer. No oil needed. I've never used oil in an air fryer, me personally. I know some people add a little oil. I've never had to use oil. And honey, I've made everything from fried chicken wings, roast, burgers, fries, salmon, sway, chicken breast, everything I can think of I've made in an air fryer. And it's turned out awesome. It's turned out awesome. I think the only thing that wasn't really a go was baked potatoes. But I don't know why we even attempted to bake a potato in an air fryer. Go figure. Everything was going so well that we just decided to, hey, why don't we try this? But anyways, other than that, everything has been a hit with the air fryer. That was the only miss we had. So this is the specific one I have. It's really simple. It has a lot of them have predetermined meals and options on here. Like this one is fish, this one is chips, chicken, steak, shrimp, pork, cake. So you can really just hit it and it'll automatically have the temperature as well as the time set for you to take out the confusion. Normally in the box it comes with a guide. From the ones that I've had, it comes with a guide of different foods. It's kind of like a cookbook, small cookbook of things that you can make with your air fryer, and it has a ton of recipes. You'd be like, you can make this in an air fryer? You'd be surprised. Yeah, it's pretty easy. There's only really 3 parts. This is the actual oven or the air fryer part. It comes with this guy here, and then this one, which just locks into here. It's easy to wash. The benefits to it, outside of it being a healthier alternative and you not having to have oil, it's an easy cleanup. That's why I like it. When it comes to using the oven sometimes and the stove, you got all these pots, pans, skillets, you got all this oil and grease everywhere, you got all these different plates that you got to use. This makes it so much easier, so simple, and it eliminates a lot of those other moving parts, because who wants to worry about cleaning up all this stuff after you just cooked the meal? You want to eat, you want to chill, you want to relax, you know, turn down. You don't want to do all that cleaning. That's another reason why I prefer the air fryer, because it just condenses the cleanup time and the wherewithal, all the stuff you just got to clean up. You know, it has a button for you to adjust the time and the temperature on here, right? They come in a lot of different shapes, forms, and fashions. All the ones I've had have been like the egg ones like this. My mom actually has an oven or air fryer. It looks more like a convection oven, like a mini one. I don't care for those too much. I like these a lot better, the ones that you kind of dip your food in and then close it and let it cook. So this, I don't know. I just had a lot more success with these. Foods tend to taste better in this, in my opinion, versus the other ones. Go figure, that's just me. But not only that, so they're easy cleanup. They are also, like I said, it's a lot better, healthier alternative. It is portable to a degree. I don't know where you might be taking it, but you can take it with you. It's an awesome household appliance for people with children because it cooks a lot faster too, in my opinion. So it can reduce some time. This is an awesome housewarming gift. If you're thinking about getting your friend a gift, she just moved into her apartment, new house, whatever the case may be, your boy just got his clothes in his new house, get him an air fryer because he probably ain't gonna be cooking like that anyway. That's also another point I wanted to make, is that this is an awesome option for people who are not so savvy in the kitchen and aren't great cooks. It allows you to cook things in a more simplistic way, like when it comes to chicken and fish and burgers. You can literally just pop it in here and, like I said, push a button and you're good to go. You can find recipes all over YouTube that'll help you, experiment and play around with it a little bit. But that's also a plus. So if you're not that great in the kitchen, this is an awesome option for you. And you're gonna get some really, really good meals, really, really good food, and you are going to enjoy it, I promise you. So, air fryer, up 3 points. Oven, now I still use the oven quite a bit. I use the stove as well. Lately I've been using the stove and the oven a lot, but then I've been cooking a lot more complex meals. This is really awesome for a simple meal, simple meat. If you're doing or like some fries and a burger, fries and some wings. This is awesome. Some shrimp, something like that. Anything that you would like fried, you can pretty much make it in here. Nothing is really off limits. You can try, you can have your fun. It's really cool. It's pretty safe for the most part. You just have to, keep it clean. Don't let food just build up and all of that residue get caught up in here. I usually wash it right after I use it. I don't like to let it sit and collect mess or anything like that. You do want to warm it up before you make your dish, and there's a warm option on mine. But yeah, warm it up, let it kind of get the hot air flowing, because that's essentially how it cooks. It's just moving around air. It moves around the air, right? In the contraction. You want to kind of keep it a little distance from the wall. Mine is usually a little bit further back, but for safety reasons, try to keep it away from the plugs and outlets. Keep it a little bit further from the wall. And away from things that are in its immediate space, like paper towels or, maybe like a washcloth or something like that, just to be safe. But it's a relatively awesome household appliance. You can pretty much get it anywhere. I've gotten, like I said, I got this one off Amazon. I got the previous one I had from Walmart. I'm sure you can find them at Target, at Publix, at most big retailers. They have cookware and things of that nature. And you can kind of shop around, see the specs. This is an awesome one in particular. Have not had any issues with it. I know it comes in different colors. I had a black one, this is a red one. And you can kind of see the different options and selections that they have. This delivered really fast on Amazon. So I love it. It's awesome. I can't complain at all. I'm about to make some, what am I about to make? I'm about to make some, honey garlic wings, air fryer wings, which I'm actually going to record a video of me making them in my air fryer and post them to my channel very, very soon. Probably like tomorrow, because I'm making them tonight. But yeah, so that is my review on the air fryer. I absolutely love it. I think it's an awesome addition to your cookware and your household appliances to have if you just want a quick recipe, if you're not too fond of cooking, you're not really good at cooking, if you don't want a huge cleanup, if you want to make something quick, if you want that crispy, awesome taste. This is also very good if you're not really a leftover person, because the texture is a lot different the next day when it comes to chicken, when it comes to fishes and stuff like that. Put it in the air fryer, it'll re-crisp it for you. Re-crisp it. And I'm pretty sure you may be able to do that with fries as well. So that's an experiment for another day. But with that being said, I hope this helps you guys out. I hope this is very informative. Please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. Let me know how your experience has been with air fryers, if you like them, if you don't care for them. Please drop it in the comments. I love interacting with you guys. Let me know what you guys enjoy and what you don't. With that being said, I will be back with a new video very soon. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in, because you could be anywhere virtually right now, but you decided to be here, and I appreciate that. And I will see you guys later.